ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Last year during Corona times and even of late, even last week, even last 2 days back also, there are events very amazing, not unusual, but very surprising that one phone call comes and tells us that somebody is born. So everybody is wishing. And in 5 minutes, another phone call comes, somebody died. So condolences and rest in peace and Sadgati, all these messages will start. Another message will come. Some devotees on the deathbed, please arrange for satsang, arrange for death care, arrange for spiritual care. So all the struggle is there. Then suddenly phone call comes. Some devotee has given birth to a baby boy. Then please arrange for name. Please arrange for blessings. Please arrange for prayers. It's so amazing. Simultaneously, we are rejoicing and simultaneously we are suffering. Rejoicing because of some gain and suffering because of some loss. And both are happening simultaneously. Such is the world that we are living in. There is constant suffering here. And birth also gives rise to some duration of happiness. And all the misery also continues along with that. And we are so comfortably living in this world. Very comfortably. In fact, we are trying to become more comfortable in this world. So I was listening to His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj. And he was saying that all of us are mostly working hard to make ourselves more comfortable in this world. Our focus is on making ourselves comfortable, even while chanting Hare Krishna or performing devotional service or serving devotees or whatever we do in bhakti also. Our focus, even without our knowledge, is always to make us comfortable. While the focus have to be on getting out of this material world and preparing for that, preparing to get out of the material world. So similarly, when we chant Hare Krishna, at the back of our mind, even unknowingly, we are praying for comfort, praying for sukha, praying for well-being, prosperity, happiness. But none of these things are guaranteed in the material world while we are living our material world. So what we need to do is focus more on becoming Krishna conscious rather than focusing more on being comfortable in Krishna consciousness in the material world. So let us all resolve that yes, we have to live some years in this world, maybe some time, at least we are alive now, so maybe some life is remaining, and that needs to be looked after with basic needs. But we don't have to be working hard for creating comfort in this remaining life. The comfort or discomfort will come according to our previous karma. And however hard you work, if the discomfort has to come, it will come. If the comfort has to come, it will come. If you don't know how to focus on creating comfort, what we need to focus on is to chant Hare Krishna and prepare ourselves to get out of this material world and become qualified to do so, and not to make us come back again in the material world. It's a very subtle thing. I was meditating it on the whole day yesterday, that we don't even know what we are doing. And we are not even so serious about focusing on preparing to get out of the cycles of birth and death. So let us all think about it, that am I really trying to be comfortable, or am I trying to get out? Many people are there in the jail who are VIPs, and they try to make their jail stay so comfortable by doing so many efforts. But it's absolutely a foolish thing. They don't realize that they are in jail, and it will be never comfortable. It will never be comfortable. So let us all pray to the Lord to give us that focus, that constant focus that we require during our chanting, that I don't belong here. I don't have to try to be comfortable here. I need to get out of this place. And my Lord will see how to fulfill my basic needs while I'm here, and help us to focus more and more on the efforts of getting out of these cycles of birth and death. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. If there's any question, you can ask.
दंडवत प्रणाम. हरे कृष्णा प्रभुजी.
कौन बोलते हैं?
रेखा बोलते भुसावळवरून.
हा बोला.
मला एक प्रश्न आहे, जसं तुम्ही म्हणून राहिले की तुम्ही कम्फर्टेबल लाईफ मागू नका देवाला, आणि सुखही मागू नका, आणि आम्ही बिलॉंग टू म्हणजे कृष्णा असं हे करून चला म्हणून. पण असं असते की जेव्हा आपण इथे या मटेरियल जगमध्ये राहतो, तेव्हा आपल्यापैकी कोणालाही दुःख झालं, काही झालं की मन इतकं अशांत होते की मग कृष्णाचा जप वगैरे त्याच्यात मन लागत नाही. मग हे कसं पॉसिबल आहे?
हेच तर आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे. दिस इज ओनली वी हॅव टू लर्न. द क्वेश्चन इज हाऊ टू बिकम हॅपी अँड हाऊ टू balance ourselves. That is the whole root of the problem, that we do get sufferings when somebody dies. But with every death and every sad news that we get, we have to understand that this is the reality of the material world. How can I be discouraged? If you jump in water in ocean, how can you not get wet? If you go to the coal mine, how will you not get dark or black in color? How can you avoid? So when sad news comes, it makes us sad, no doubt about it. We lose our beloved. But we should know that this is a fact of the material world. What one can do? We need to understand the reality of the material world. So spiritual life means what? Spiritual life means to become aware of the truth of life, to learn the truth as it is, not compromised or diluted. That is spiritual life. So the more you understand the truth, the more you are on right path. You can take a right decision to be on the right path with focus. So I know it is difficult. What is easy here? Even to earn money and become comfortable here is also not easy. So why not give a fight to get out rather than to be comfortable here? Why should we fight to be comfortable? We should give the fight to get out. That is intelligent. I hope I have answered your question. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Any other question?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes, Namni Mataji. Hare Krishna.
प्रभुजी, जैसे हम कभी कभी हमारा मूड चैंटिंग में ऐसे रहता है कि मतलब इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और मतलब इस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड से बाहर निकलना है, तो इसलिए मतलब हम चैंटिंग करते हैं. हमारा मूड ऐसा रहता है, मतलब मूड ऐसा नहीं रहता कि भगवान को प्लीज करना है. तो ऐसे प्रभुजी हमें भगवान की कृपा मिलती है, मतलब अगर हमारा मूड ऐसा रहेगा तो?
ऐसा मतलब कैसा?
कि मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में मतलब दुख है, दुखालयम है, तो हमें बाहर निकलना है.
दो प्रकार की भावना होती है. समझो आप बीमार पड़ते हो, तो एक भावना है कि अरे मैं बीमार हूँ, कितना कष्ट है, इसमें दुखी रहना. और दूसरा है कि डॉक्टर के पास जाना, टेस्ट करना, डायग्नोस करना, ट्रीटमेंट लेना और बीमारी से ठीक हो जाना। तो उसमें ज्यादा बुद्धिमानी किसमें, आप ही बताइए। ज्यादा बुद्धिमानी ये है कि हाँ बीमार हो गया हूँ, डॉक्टर के पास जाना है और इलाज करके ठीक होना है। तो बीमार हूं करके रोते बैठना है तो उसमें क्या लाभ है, बीमारी ठीक होने वाली नहीं है। उसी प्रकार से भौतिक दुनिया के बारे में वास्तविकता, सत्य जान लेना ये अपना पहला स्टेप है। लेकिन सत्य जानने के बाद में उसके बारे में रोते रहना ये बुद्धिमानी की बात नहीं है। सत्य जानने के बाद में उसका इलाज करना जरूरी है। आपके घर में अगर किसी जगह पर आग लग रही है तो उसके लिए रोते रहना ठीक है कि उसको बुझाना और या तो घर से बाहर निकल जाना, तो ये बहुत जरूरी है। तो वी डोंट हैव टू कीप क्राइंग, हाँ, बिकॉज व्हाट्स हैपनिंग अराउंड। वी शुड नो दिस इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी हैपनिंग हियर, नथिंग मोर यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट हियर। व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट in material world except sorrow? But the intelligence is to try to focus, to get out of it once and for all. And this is the lifetime, only lifetime you have been given. No more lifetimes are guaranteed. This is with you. Try your best, use your time, prepare yourself completely to leave once and for all, not to come back again. And my request today was that only. Please focus on that more than the sufferings of this world. Sufferings will be there and guaranteed they are. All the time they will be there with you. We guarantee you that. And that's not depressing. That's a fact. We have come here, so it's a fact. What to do? So don't lose hope. Keep the company of devotees, keep inspiring association, meditate, and take association. If there is no association physically, read Bhagavad Gita, take Krishna's association, read Bhagavatam, take the association of saintly people through the charitra of devotees, and enliven yourself. How did they focus in their suffering condition of life? And then you will be successful. You don't have to be sorrowful all the time because you are thinking about the facts of the material world. Hare Krishna. Anybody else? So we will end here, and Happy New Year. Happy belated Diwali wishes to you. Hare Krishna.